Good morning. I'm Justin Santiago. My first name is Justin, but actually my friends and family call me Jay. That's my nickname, and I like it, so please call me Jay. I'd like to tell you a little bit about my hometown and family. I'm from Cebu in the Philippines. It's a large island in the south of the country. Cebu has some beautiful beaches and also delicious mangoes. I love mangoes. We also have a very colorful festival every year in January. My family is quite big. We have 7 people, my mom and dad, my 4 brothers and sisters, and me. We live in a small house near the sea. My father is a fisherman, and he works very hard. I have 2 younger brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the oldest. My youngest brother is Bobby, and he is 6. Now you know a little bit about my hometown and family. I'm so excited to be in this class, but also a little nervous. I really want to get more confident in English. I also want to make new friends in this class. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Tunisha Pankot. You can call me Pim. Today I'm going to tell you about myself. I'm 20 years old. I was born in Mukdahan province and now I live in Ubon Ratchathani province. There are 4 people in my family. I have 1 sister. I am student in Bachelor Degree of Public Health, major in Dental Public Health Year 3. Silakan College of Public Health, Ubon Ratchathani province. I am interested in photography. In my free time, I love to listening to music and make some bakeries. I sometimes go to cafes. My favorite colors are sky blue and rose quartz. In the future, if I graduate, I would like to travel abroad. And now you know a little about me. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.